Hey everyone, it's Amy. I wanted to jump on really fast and talk to you about my oil journey. So my oil journey began in 2013. I started off as a wholesale customer, but I decided I did not want to do the business. I just wanted to begin using oils. This was, doTERRA was very new, so and there really wasn't any training out there like there is currently. There wasn't just they were still kind of figuring things out and stuff. So, and my upline was also new to essential oils. So I had always looked at essential oils as one of those things that they seemed really cool, but I didn't know what to do with them. So when I first started using them, and my upline was new, I wasn't sure really. Like they had this book that talked about all the benefits, but they didn't explain how to use them. So while I was just super interested and I was ordering all these oils to work with all the issues that I wanted, I didn't really know how to use them. So I kind of floundered around with them, making probably almost every mistake that you can, which is why I can say, like, from personal experience, what to do and what not to do. But I ended up starting to do the business just kind of randomly the next year, and it was only because my husband had came home from his deployment, and we couldn't afford the order, we couldn't afford the oils anymore. So I was like, well, I guess I'm going to start selling these because I wanted to keep going. I wanted to keep ordering them. So I played around with them. I'd open them up, I'd smell them, I put them in diffuser. I would try to just kind of dabble in them and start to learn about it. And the more I just started opening up my bottles and just being able to experiment with them, getting out the fractionated coconut oil and stuff and putting them on my kids, putting them on me, and starting to, just listen to what was out there and stuff. And the training started to come and figuring everything out. The more I fell in love with these oils, just basically the recommendation that I can give to you is to open your bottles and start using them. Because if you don't use them, you're never going to learn how to use them, and you're never going to be able to fall in love with them as much as I have, as well as countless other people in the entire world. So, fast forward to now, they have taken over. We barely go to the doctor. If we do, it's for something serious, but we handle basically 80 to 90% of all of our issues at home, especially because with having four kids, it never fails that they always get sick either on the weekend or, in the middle of the night. So it's fantastic to have these on hand to help combat anything and everything that comes to our household, whether it's ear infections, colds, flu, just aches and pains, growing pains, headaches, you name it, sleep and stuff. We have it all. So I hope you guys are just going to open your heart and your mind and stuff of how essential oils can change you and your family's health and life. Bye, guys.